How to accept Temu invitation on computer. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can accept Temu invitation on computer. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to accept Temu invitation, first of all, go to the browser version of Temu. Just open up your browser and go and type in temu.com. After that, you'll be able to find the search box on your Temu browser very easily. Just tap on it, and if you have any link, just paste it on there and you'll be redirected to any of the products or any of other offers that may be going on Temu. Otherwise, the next thing is, if you're on a Temu website or if you have received a Temu invitation on your computer, you just need to click on your link. Normally you'll receive an invite via email or a direct link from your friend. You just need to do is follow the link, which will direct you to Temu's website. After that, the page will prompt you to sign in or create a new account, or if you are new to Temu, you'll have to sign up by entering some basic information like an email address and a password. Otherwise, if you already have an account, just sign in, and after logging in, the invitation benefits like discounts or coupons will automatically apply to your account. So that's how you basically copy your link or accept the Temu invitation. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.